This system works by projecting laser beams at both ends of the pedestrian crosswalk. When there are no pedestrians crossing, the device will not project light, ensuring the normal flow and speed of vehicular traffic. At the moment a pedestrian is about to enter the crosswalk, the device can detect the pedestrian and project a red laser line onto the pedestrian's lower legs, creating a red projection. This way, motor vehicle drivers can receive warnings from a distance and take timely evasive action to avoid pedestrians ahead.
When crossing the crosswalk, the red light can illuminate the lower legs. Vehicles can notice pedestrians from afar.
The red laser can serve as an effective warning, especially during rainy or foggy weather, when visibility is poor. This is excellent protection for pedestrians.